Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm at APEX 2014 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm joined by Aram from Nordson Dage. Aram, thanks for stopping by to chat. You've got a new product on your booth. Start by telling me a little bit about that.
Yeah, certainly. Thank you for having me. We have the 4000 plus Generation 2 that we introduced at APEX this year with the automation software.
Okay.
It's an exciting time for us because Nordson Dage 30 years ago introduced automatic pull testing to the industry with the BT25 model. And since then, customers have been asking us to improve the product, make it smaller, make it faster. And in this new generation, 4000 plus, Dage has been able to actually do that.
Okay. And what application? What are they using the pull tester for? What specific applications is that used for?
It's primarily used in the electronic assembly area after wire bonding.
Okay.
Most often in military aerospace,
Right.
the devices need to be non-structurally tested 100%. And because there are so many wires and customers don't want to use many operators, there's the issue of fatigue, exhaustion, obviously, rework from damage induced by operator fatigue. Ergonomics are an issue, repeated injury are an issue. So they want to get away from those things. So automation makes sense for them. And in the new generation 4000 plus, we've been able to introduce a new platform that incorporates anti-vibration capability. Because automation needs to move at a faster pace. We've introduced a new generation of XY tables that can move up to 50 millimeters per second to facilitate the wire pull function, as well as finding fiducials. We have a state-of-the-art digital comparator system on board. We have more precise XYZ positioning capability. The system utilizes our smart technology in our cartridges, whether it's dedicated for pull or shear, or if it's mixed mode wire, whether it's gold, copper, or aluminum. We have a multifunction cartridge that can self-rotate to allow the automation process. We have built in a hook concentricity adjustment capability, which is again very quick. And all of this is driven by the new Paragon software, graphic user interface that allows all these things to come together. And it's all in a nice, very small, compact platform that occupies about 40 inches by 30 inches. And it's ergonomic and ESD safe. And we're excited about this new platform.
Yeah, it sounds like quite a quantum leap from the last version. And I take it that although you introduced it, I don't know, several decades ago, there have been some incremental changes in between. Which industries are really making that demand for automation in the product? Is it mainly the mil aerospace? Is it automotive?
It's primarily the military aerospace. A lot of the devices are being made for satellite application. They have hundreds or thousands of wires. Hybrids are still very popular in that industry. So there are a lot of wires there. So primarily those industries. Automotive is becoming more active in that area with aluminum hybrid devices in the engine control systems, etc. But everybody wants to do more volume. So it's not just a single package that has lots of wires, it's multiple packages. And with the larger XY tables and the faster speeds, we're allowing people not to do one-up devices anymore. You can do multi-up and move faster and do more.
Yeah, you need to be able to fit it on the line and get it into that as well. And anything else new on the booth? Any new stuff on the X-ray side, or what else?
On the X-ray side, I'm not sure. I don't do X-ray. No, not my section.
And just to go back to your area, in terms of, you mentioned those different industries. What about geographies? Is it predominantly North America you're selling the pull tester in, or is it again worldwide?
It can be anywhere in the Americas, actually. You know, our customers are all over the Americas. That's the territory I'm responsible for. So whether it's military aerospace facility somewhere in North America, or it's an automotive factory south of the border somewhere, high volume, they all have that need because with multiple manual machines, and it's consuming space on the production floor. They're having to obviously hire more and more operators to do that, and at some point it becomes impractical. So
and
automation becomes
and we're certainly seeing a lot of automotive activity, as you call it, south of the border in Mexico. There's a lot going on there. Is that something that's creating some additional demand for you?
Yes, absolutely. It's interesting to see that a lot of business, automotive business, is actually coming back into the Americas. So we're seeing factories really grow, and that again drives the need. That's right. It drives the opportunity for automation.
Excellent.
Other than that, the life sciences field is also full of automation need. They're doing more expensive, high precision devices for medical application. And that's another field that
seems to be growing nicely.
That's right.
Excellent. Well, Aram, thanks for stopping by to tell us about the product. Good luck with the rest of the show, and we'll speak again soon.
Thank you. Lovely meeting you.
Thank you.